Welcome to another episode on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be removing, breaking down, reassembling, and reinstalling the front bumper on this 2020 Honda Fit. Shouldn't take too long, so let's get started. Now the reason we're replacing this bumper cover, I bought this car about a month ago and somebody hit something toward the bumper cover. It was easier to replace than to try to repair, so it was only, with my wholesale discount, it was only $240 new at the dealer for the bumper cover and then an extra $250 for paint. So it's not worth trying to fix that for a bumper that's that cheap. And luckily all of the grills are okay. I just need to unclip them and transfer them over to the new bumper once I get it off. And I have not taken one of these off before, but it looks very simple from looking at the new bumper. There's one screw there. It's clipped along there. And we've got some push pins across the top and some push pins across the bottom. So if we look at the new bumper, so we've got some holes all along the bottom, so those hook to the underbody shield. So it looks like just pretty much a bunch of clips and push pins, and it should come right off. Then we'll swap over the grill. So we'll put it on time lapse. Got the bumper off. That only took about 10 minutes. If I had done this before, it probably would have taken 5 minutes. It's really, really easy to take off. So we had the screw over here. There are two clips on the headlight bracket down here. I didn't want to yank on the bumper to unclip them. I was worried about breaking the clip. So I was able to pull the bumper out far enough that I could get a screwdriver down in here and pick this tab up a little bit so it would unclip. I wasn't worried about the bumper covers, so I didn't care if I scratched it. Looks like somebody had been in here before because we've got a ton of missing clips. So this piece goes on top here and clips to the top of the grill. And we had the screw over here missing, one of the push pins missing, and then on the air intake, none of the push pins are in there, so it's kind of just flopping around. And on the bottom of the bumper, so this piece goes, so this piece attaches to the bottom grill and it attaches to the underbody shield. And also around the bottom of the bumper cover, we've got the holes in there that go into the underbody shield, and probably 3/4 of the push clips or push pins were missing. So I'll have to replace those. So I don't think, it's not that hard to replace these. So I don't know why shops are so incompetent, but all of our grills look okay. I don't see any broken tabs on anything, so we can just go ahead and swap them right over. Honda apparently loves their push pins because pretty much everything on this car is held together with them. The grills, like the small side grills, those mostly snap in. There's a screw and a push pin. The lower grill, it has a push pin in each corner and push pins that hold it to the bumper cover at the bottom. These really aren't clips. They're more locators. They don't really clip anything. And really the only place I had an issue was the upper grill. You have this, there's a little lip that runs all the way around it, and I had an issue getting the edge of the grill to go over it. So that side went in fine, but I had to play with it for probably 10 minutes from here over, trying to get the grill up and over it so it would clip in. But it's in now, and I guess we can go ahead and install it back on the car. Well, in only about an hour and a half, we're able to swap it over. So it's a pretty easy job. and it came out pretty nice. I need to wipe down the bumper, I actually wash the whole car, but a couple things to keep in mind. So I missed it at the beginning when I was disassembling the bumper. There's actually another screw that is up inside the wheel well liner here, and I didn't notice it, so I just grabbed the bumper and ripped it off. So if you're going to reuse your bumper, then make sure you take that screw out, because it tore the bumper cover. But other than that, that was the only thing I missed. Now, the paint match is pretty good. The bumper matches the rear bumper very well, and it matches the fender pretty close, but bumpers never match anyway, so I'd say it's a good match. But I got everything together, replaced my missing push pins on the top and on the underside. One other thing to keep in mind, when you're putting it back on, it's kind of difficult underneath the car where you have all of the shields coming together. You've got like 3 layers of shields between the underbody tray, the one that's on the lower grille, and the wheel well liner. So those all come together and you have to get a push pin in them. So make sure you get those in the right order or you can't get the bumper cover all the way back. But other than that, it's pretty simple. It just all clips together. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with other projects in the shop.